Hey, hello.
Hello.
How are you? My name is Manga. I'm a musician. I do traditional music. Also, I'm a YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel of which by the time you'll be chilling along in the hotel, you can follow on my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube. It's called Makamugenda. Yeah.
I'm not so much online.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Can I play
I
for?
try not to be.
Or can I play for one song?
No, thank you. But we just arrived, and I just want to just. We've been traveling for the last 2 days.
And give me watch on the combat. Yaje bro. Hello. Mambo. My name is Maka.
Maka.
Yeah.
I follow you.
Yeah, so I just Makamugenda.
What do you do?
I'm a musician.
Thank you.
Kini na looking on my tag. Ya will gana live on there. Ya will gana. Guys, keep on watching. Right now, I just want to start vibe. Before I start that vibe, guys, this is how Congo is. Still, there's a lot of tourists, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of tourists. When you look my camera, you just see there's a big number of tourists. They want to start. They want to walk off of the boat ride. Wanataka kuenda boat ride, guys. Yeah, so just keep on watching. See, this is how it is. You can put down your comment so that I can say something there. Yeah, just keep on watching. So please just put down your comment. Yeah, and right now I want to start this vibe. Which I know you'll be enjoying with Maka. Hey. Jambo jambo. Yeah, guys, doing setup right now. Keep on watching right now. I want to start Nyatiti vibe along the beach. Yeah? Along the beach. Just keep on watching. I'm doing my setup. Yeah, right now I want to start this session, guys. Doing some setup here. And there's a lot of waves. Just keep on watching. on watching, guys. Still right now I'm here in the beach. I want to start in Sejon. She was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother, her mother, her mother, her mother, her mother, her mother, her mother. Yeah, that's a setup, guys. 1, 2. This is a setup. I'm doing sound check. Guys.